Telemetro?
Good. I'm very excited for the story. This week, this week is Santorini, and it's very fun. Scenes between Iris and Basta.
Yung character ba sa serye, aware ka na bang bakla si ano?
Sorry.
Aware ka ng bakla si Ali?
At this point, I just heard that it's Basta.
So what is your reaction na maganda yung pagtanggap lalo ng mga LGBT community sa tema ng mga teleserye?
It was very daring, and I think the audience has accepted it. It's a very delicate topic, but I think they're handling it very well. So it's very heart wrenching. It's a very difficult situation that Adi is in. I think it's very nice.
In real life ba, James, marami kang mga ganun, mga nanliligaw sa'yo, nagpaparamdam sa'yo.
Kapag may
Sa
nahanap.
gwapo mong yan, of course, marami. Paano mo sila hina-handle?
Wala lang. I don't know. I mean, I have nothing against it. It's fine.
And Alex doing great now, as
Yes, she's very talented.
Thankful siya because of the show.
Yes. But he's very talented. We're very lucky to have him.
Kasi may mga bashers na naman nagsasabing ano daw, yung show, Telemetro, parang baka i-cut short kasi parang ang mahal ng gastos, ang laki. At hindi na masyadong maganda yung ratings.
Well, I don't know about that, but the show goes through many arcs, many different stories. So the way the characters evolve, that's the way it is. So I mean, just stick around. It gets very interesting. The story is great. I have full confidence in it.
Mga ano lang po talaga, kanina. Do you think mga negative
I think so.
vibes?
Lagi naman may bashers.
Are you reading some of the reactions, comments on the show? Ano yung nagustuhan mo so far?
The reactions.
Reactions on the show?
I haven't been reading too much.